here's my getting unready with me routine. I hope you enjoy. Hi loves, I just got home from work. As you may or may not know, I'm a speech therapist and I do wear scrubs to work. This is my favorite scrubs from Grey's Anatomy. I'm gonna change into loungewear and then I'll be right back. This is one of my favorite loungewear sets. Super cute. Let's get started with our nighttime routine. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna put my hair up. And my hair has been long enough lately for me to just put it in a bun without using a hair tie. I really like long hair. A few months ago, I cut my hair because there were so many dead ends and I felt so sad after that. Okay, so first we're gonna remove the eye makeup. I use the Neutrogena eye makeup remover. This is oil free. Okay, no more eye makeup. I feel so naked right now. I use the Clarisonic brush and the Neutrogena purifying facial cleanser and just pump it on, and then I'm going to scrub my face. Okay, so about once or twice a week I use the Kate Somerville Exfoliate and just kind of exfoliate my skin. It's kind of like a mask. I just apply it on my face and then rub it on for about 30 seconds or a minute, depending on how sensitive my skin feels that day. I steam my face with this facial steamer. Sometimes I put chamomile tea, but today I just use pure water. This was kind of funny. So next, I use this Witch Hazel Rose Petal alcohol-free toner. It is really helpful in minimizing my pores and prevent breakouts. I put on this Pure Keratin serum. I just kind of pump out 3 pumps, one on each cheek, one on my forehead, and just kind of tap it on. I like Pure because it's all natural. They use all mineral ingredients, so, and it's very gentle for my sensitive skin. And then I put on the Pure Total Eye Fitness. Just kind of tap, tap, tap. And then every other day, or every 2 days or so, I use the Murad Retinol Youth Renewer Serum. So I put 2 pumps out. I don't use it a lot because it's kind of a strong ingredient, so your skin can be sensitive to it if you overuse it. Retinol is really good for removing all the dead skin cells, resurfacing your skin, and help with premature wrinkles. And if you have any breakouts, this would also help. I use the Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream from Pure. I use the Q-tip and then just kind of get a little bit and put it on my face, and then I also put some on my neck as well. So I use a Q-tip because I don't trust my fingers. I want to also show you what I do to keep my teeth clean and as perfect as possible. I floss my teeth first and then use an oral irrigator. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for maybe 5 or 6 years now. It's like a water toothpick. I used an electric toothbrush. This one is from Oral-B. So that was it. I hope you enjoy my getting unready with me routine. Please subscribe, like and comment below what type of video you would like to see next. And until next time, bye!